Alright, this is my first time making up a new recipe. I'm going to use an old ingredient that I've been using in every recipe first, which I know works well. And this is wood chips that have been heat treated and soaked in water. And I'm putting 1 part wood chips. So this right here is GMB soil building conditioner. And I've heat treated it because I don't like the mycorrhizae that they put in. They use several non-native species, and I just don't know how those are going to interact with our native species in this region. So gave it a good overnight heat treatment, and I'm going to put in 1 part. And this stuff is really fine, like compared to the coarse wood chips. It's beautiful. It's not just wood product, they've also added some fertilizers like bat guano and worm castings and some really good juicy things. All right. Next up, 1 part compost from BCS Livestock. It is sheep manure and straw that's been aged and composted together. It's really beautiful stuff. Does not smell beautiful when you heat treat it, not gonna lie, but it looks beautiful and it works beautifully. And again, that was heat treated just to kill any weed seeds or plant disease that could be present. This last ingredient I'm so excited to be trying, oh my gosh. So this is Pittmoss, which is a play on words for peat moss. I just got it in the mail. I've never used it before. I got this sample from the company and it's really super fluffy. It looks very absorbent. I'm really interested to see how it works. This is made from recycled paper, and I'm going to put in 1 part Pittmoss. So I've used 4 equal parts to keep this recipe simple. I'll see how it works and see if it needs to be adapted. But I'm really interested to try a whole new recipe. This is kind of like baking, like experimental baking, which I also enjoy. So there you have it. I've walked you through my new recipe, and I'm gonna spin it up, take the break off, see how it works.